Sir, who share matches na or English Premier League in the the least City bet me here in the run in and I say at least ni home games in the obeshening ina. Enti enyam nwanwa say enra they were able to beat Crystal Palace. Enyam nwanwa at all. And one thing Emma win no munya you know. It dise oka ho asem eye Pep ebo sa game no knowing say a very crucial but still not a need for Saturday FA Cup final against Chelsea. Until there were a lot of rotations our year team even with the formation. Then the key players be say Ellen Haaland mo, Jeremy Doku mo, Ryan Cherki mo, all had to sit on the bench. Wambo any of Nico Gonzalez and I say Rodrigo Cascante omunyina no moti bench. Until he is preparing the team not for the bigger match. But when you crucial and more opportunity needed to win, and they got the job done. I am the pan say Antoine Semenyo is back on the scoring sheet. Unim say both season now we are a forward in the modern game. You are required to score goals. Say goals in a dry up now or confidence eko. Enti edru maybe you could clearly see say a brand you know. Ama only confidence biom because Oba from the way he was scoring goals almost every game no was. Enti ma enkofo class start so munya doubts whether the way a Pep is Pep consistency na they be a demand the top level performances you know and we are na bambebu or Semenyo ho enche. Nti Enra goal no share was very very good for Onuankasa ne personal confidence and the way on it City team no it wasn't surprising City won. They keep up the pressure on club FN Arsenal in the run in no. Look, Enra, I watched the Coppa Italia final on my phone and the conclusion is that Inter is the best team on the Italian soil. The way they dominated Lazio for them was you could clearly see say there was only one team able to just win the Coppa Italia, no? And it was Team FN Inter Milan. Now, Mehus and Kofo are trying to write the Christian Chivu story more, but Rich, Mijidi say on Christian Chivu story, no? Because of hindsight of Anna Slots, Intino, Yenchen Kakra.
Okay.
Yenchen Kakra. Didn't you make us say? Mijidi say, Shivu is still benefiting from Inzaghi. Team or building here. How consistent that team has been put together for a very, very long time. On say, yes, Barcelona pe Bastoni. Me sure say players be say Asabi more will be thinking say they are too old. They must give room for other people to come in. I don't know how long players be say Hakan Çalhanoğlu is still going to stay at Inter. Mkhitaryan more will think, look, we've knocked the doors of the Champions League final twice. It's time to leave. Even Lautaro Martinez say on a big deal be from any big club here, he may think Wasum Inter enough, he will want to move on. The ambassador making say season way by we are. I believe the next season Inter are going to see a sort of transition be. And that is what Anna Slot went through. Emma exposing with Liverpool no. Christian Chivu. It's me Emma players be caught. Who are key players of this current Inter team core. Now it's me right within a recruitment, within a backroom staff and a sporting director, Javier Zanetti. Now it's me start dominating Italian football bioma. Which that is where Mr. Tiajatum say he is worth the mentioning now Onyano. but in Pempering there, I think say relatively the team was built by Inzaghi. They are so consistent with the way in Inzaghi here and he's still benefiting from Saudi. But it doesn't take away say Obe Bonabaso say he has done a very, very good job since Obe Eso Inter Ejumedieni. Very, very disappointing. Say Bodo Eyomo film in the Champions League, but domestically there, super performance. Now, my last pick will be Enrichi when David Austin ever reported said Alonso has been put on the Chelsea list. Say coaches are more consider no. Now Alonso is on the list, and the consideration, unwedding, even though or are they say nothing has been decided yet. Now, Rich, saying I mean who Alonso story no. Time Alonso here and I can say Obe free by no for Leverkusen. There were a lot of teams I know mopeno, but Yomunina to chain and only bring in Real Madrid and Liverpool.
Teams are not in answer about that.
Yes. Now, Rich, Alonso decided to take the higher risk among the two teams because may sure say me kra me Ayala me Ghana enima Alonso enim chi me bebre say senka oko Liverpool benya abotre kakra de amana dance oko Real Madrid enuntina on the ato ana slot this season still Liverpool for see o ye be man mre Liverpool was hard no but Alonso was so like na ne wish say Real Madrid adwuma no as a Spaniard you don't say no to them when they come. And even though he knew the risk level was through the brain, he decided to go for it rather. Only the benefit of hindsight to say enke na who they to no Real Madrid in there and go to Liverpool. But say ordinary so a share sa to any no. It's an immune in habono. Wako faili or Real Madrid. And the Liverpool job has been given to someone, even with a season and the Pakwana and the career, so it's not even available for him to go and take. Now, the argument made for Alonso say, Obeya there with Chelsea, no, and they said at Chelsea, Omubemano, the opportunity, say Obe or the team in the Bayer Senior no penal. Send Unya or Bayern for Leverkusen now after alternate team into a very, very winnable team. No? So for instance, Obian himself Xabi Alonso, the time at Bayern for Leverkusen was a three-back coach. And people are saying, oh, Oba Chelsea, Obenya the freedom to do the three-back with Chelsea, and it's Onya freedom there. Based on the year of Bayern for Leverkusen, who say with time he can build a very, very formidable team. Many sound funny, but maybe the one I'm who say, okay, Rich, Liam, some of Strasbourg, no, see a three-back coach. I didn't know about Chelsea, no. When to me, I'm for the freedom of say Chelsea, I'm not going to wire the opposite. I'm about three-back in Chelsea. What was the limitation? Now, a dear body now more three back straight away. Is it because Oba in the middle of the season and probably didn't want to change much? It's a yes, into Chayama. So continue holding forth nana your boss season year. Then he takes them to preseason and tell them said this is how I really want to play. May travel from preseason near their career next season. Say if that is the caveat for the entire Liam and me implemented there against the backdrop say Obakayama come of your harder say it is a fact coming from Maza say even when Xabi Alonso no akwaje Real Madrid adwuma he proposed to them say senko nyaya enkomo nko FIFA Club World Cup nembra ansara was start adwuma no say derby obeji dia Jennifer Cobra and when you the benefit of preseason even with Real Madrid And with Sadia na eto no ntino. Rich, menye so say Xabi Alonso will rush into a job onya preseason. Look, I believe he's still got something to offer football at the highest level. Xabi Alonso yes uncle for now. They were good as players, and even for Momu playing this, you could clearly understand what the footballer sepa on your time with him. Now on your opportunity to build on Wakasana dia, Obetimia a very very good job at Chelsea. Senior or Bayern for Leverkusen. Now, Rich, the irony of Asemwe, which is very very trivial. Unim se offer Nancy coaches at Chelsea for more. Bakopa or buy Chelsea supporters from beginning to so free or man penasem da Rafa Benitez. And Omasem Yinane say Tamano coaching Liverpool. No. The way are not so aggressive on Chelsea. No. I'm a man penasem da until Munim Dentia Yakofa Chelsea Jumamano. The irony is that Saturday no more can once. Nasabi Alonso bomber Rafa Benitez Liverpool. No. Yes, Xabi Alonso himself as a player there, he has always been gentle on Kasa Chichiu, on Kabibi ebe instigating war and I say conflict inti ni hu son se obeba. But the fact of the matter they say, Rich, nini trimu there, but I suspect after what he did with Tima Efreno, Bano for Leverkusen, you know, the top 2 jobs based on affiliation would have been Real Madrid and Liverpool, but now probably you have to settle for Tima. Your furniture. Yes, we hear Alonso free one. So one consideration is Ayala. Rich, how different na Ayala be from Maresca, Liam, Graham Potter? I'm talking about coaches. Omo coach English Premier League teams be na watch a huge potential say oh you good na based on that Chelsea akofana ba afi or buy into the bigger shoes, you know, the consistency with which because at Bournemouth which say Ayala caught 5 games na out of 5 games no owini mu 3 na obodraw 1 na olusu 1 it is okay.
Oh, a Bournemouth.
But who did Chelsea?
A result oriented.
They will not be okay. They will not. And see, Yahumida, I'm not saying he's not a good coach. Very, very good coach. And he has been very, very consistent with the way the team's airborne. And one thing you the English media don't come about him say Emma needs to Chelsea job now is Sawasha or building a bomb of team no. Season no we any able to. Then he brings new players, and you still see Bournemouth play the same way they play, still remain competitive. It's almost okay. At Chelsea now, they always want to bring in new and give them the opportunity to play. You know, he will do a very, very good job because or a consistent with Sadia no our Bournemouth. I don't take anything away from him, but I think it's between Ono and Xabi Alonso, which. The trend analysis in favor no ebe Andoni Ayala. And Xabi Alonso there, he's just waiting for another big opportunity to remind and comfort the kind of coach. But Marco Silva is not really on the list, and they are only really on the list. And they say, Martin said there's a job offer for him at Benfica.
Okay.
Sami Real Madrid asati sniffing with Mourinho no. I know and a Benfica fire imagine said the moment Jose Mourinho will confirm ya chom say or Real Madrid no, they will bring the Fulham coach, you know, to Portugal now about handle team your friend Benfica. See me as well say and command baby because
sure.
Listen over but also you be free mu you be revise say and your man na ya ko enim say more 30 seconds look mo fa djuma de ne makarek.
Maybe because of precedent.
Give the you see if you say adia ya parish and say do be bonny ebe jajo ya papa it happens me gitum that is any friend trend analysis say money it happens but when you are being measured by will be failure look, on the face of it, Ediana Carrick enye to end the transfer judgment obetimi aye. Onye catch me.
Why be Chelsea, City, Arsenal, almost all the big teams in the Premier League.
Come on. We're bringing the best out of the players that are available. He's a true and true Mancunian. On your politician, on your controversial figure. He's a good brand to Manchester United as a brand. Though here probably will be support. And see, me immediate, in my own opinion, I am not comfortable say ye will be bunny. Ebe judge carry kaka say, oh, sa no libe ye man opportunity when to me. And you know, I am not having the same sympathy for Carrick, and that we should go outside. Me gidi say the Jumani money interim no ya. Nasa na or they make a statement why he should be considered. May also say all the boxes he has taken, and even the players within the team. Campaign say yamfa Jumadi no emfa emano na omba Jumadi. Maybe they am for Carrick. So mo decide somebody.
Josh, remain
Yeah, Rich. I think Manchester City did